My name is Victor Leitman, Director of Embedded Engineering. What my team does is takes our cloud Houndify platform and adapts it for non-cloud devices. We are able to process the queries locally in the offline mode and also to simultaneously send the query to the cloud. The beauty of that solution is that the reputation logic implemented by us, the client doesn't need to do anything. If the cloud responds fast enough with the good result, then that's result preferred and returned back to the client. But if the cloud doesn't respond within the specified timeout or the response is not good, then the local response is returned. You can think about the cases when driving through the Santa Cruz Mountains and the connection drops. We still want to answer queries, turn on air conditioning and close the windows. Find me the nearest winery. So that all can be handled in the offline mode. But the queries like when is the next flight arrives from Tokyo to San Jose can be handled only in the cloud mode. The beauty is that the solution, the hybrid solution, is a drop-in replacement. The clients can start developing their application testing against our Houndify cloud. And when the hybrid is ported for the specific platform, the only thing the clients need to do is to change the endpoint from being api.houndify.com. A lot of clients, they still think in the old terms that people cannot talk to the computers or the cars in the natural human voice. They try to phrase the queries in the short keywords. Human speech and queries can be much more complicated. And actually, the SoundHound is capable to handle very complicated queries, like, for example, close all the windows and turn on air conditioning and tune the radio to 88.5 FM. So let's implement it now. Let's forget about how old system works.